Welcome back to Simple Friends. Our family's health should be on priority, and small changes make a big difference in the long run. These days, easily available junk food is preferred as it makes work easier. These cause lifestyle diseases and makes way for other health issues too. Today I will share the recipe of the multi-millet flour, the kanji mavu, which I make at home. This can be used to make a variety of other recipes too, which I will share later. Let's begin. I will give the measurements of all the ingredients in the description box for ready reference. I have taken 500 grams of ragi or finger millet. I need not stress on the health benefits of all the ingredients as we are aware of their nutritional benefits. Wash, soak the ragi overnight, bundle it and leave it to sprout for 2 or 3 days. After 2 to 3 days, you can see it has sprouted well, and these sprouts are more healthier. Spread it out on a tray and allow it to sun dry for 2 days. This will remove the moisture and the flour will not get spoiled even if stored for a few months. The same way, I have washed 500 grams of whole wheat and sun dried it for a few days. After drying for 2 to 3 days, we will dry roast these on a low flame. While roasting ragi, if it is on high flame, it will get burnt. The kanji will get a bitter taste. We should include millets in our diet frequently as it maintains blood glucose level, and these help in preventing other lifestyle diseases too. Roast it in small batches. You can hear the popping sound of ragi and a few will turn white color. Ensure you do it in a heavy bottomed kadai. Now I will roast the 500 grams of wheat in small batches. This should also be done on a low flame till you hear the wheat popping. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Allow it to turn light golden brown color. Keep stirring continuously to avoid burning. Once this is done, I add 150 grams of pottu kadalai or roasted chana dal, the one we use for chutneys. Roast it for 5 to 6 minutes till it turns crisp. There is no need for color change. Next, I add 50 grams of sago or javarisi. This should also be roasted only for a few minutes and keep stirring continuously. Next, roast 150 grams of moong dal. Since the kadai is already hot, it will get roasted fast. It will begin to change color. Now to the millets. I have taken 100 grams of samai or little millet, 100 grams of varagu or kodo millet, 100 grams of kudirai or barnyard millet. Wash these well, drain and sun dry on a cloth for a few hours. The same way, I wash 250 grams of ponni boiled rice. This is not the idli rice, but this is the purungal arisi or boiled rice used for cooking. Wash, drain and dry this also. Next, I have taken 250 grams of kambu or bajra. This is called as pearl millet. This should also be washed, drained and dried. The same way, 250 grams of tenai or foxtail millet. Wash and dry this also. It is important to wash all the millets and dry them to remove any impurities. Now all these are dry and we will begin roasting them. You can split the work to 1 or 2 days so we don't get exhausted by doing this at a stretch. Once we have done this, the powder can be stored for more than 6 months. Ensure there is no moisture and roast all the ingredients well. Always use a dry spoon to take out the daily requirement of the sattu maavu. The rice will be roasted and will begin popping, and there will be a mild color change. The millets get roasted very fast, so keep stirring them continuously. This will get done in a few minutes. This kanji can be given to children from 1 year, and adults can also have this. You can add milk and consume it, or also have it with buttermilk. Make small healthy changes in your diet and you can see the positive difference in the long run. It is available in stores as ready-made powders, but a little effort from our side will be good as you will be sure of what goes in your family's diet. Without the fear of adulterants, you can choose the ratio of millets you want to include in this kanji maavu. I have roasted all the millets, the kambu, the samai, and the other millets too. When you roast the millets, you will get a mild nutty aroma. Keep the flame on low and complete roasting all the millets. Next, I roast 100 grams of almonds. You can reduce or increase the quantity of dry fruits you add to this. Next, add 100 grams of cashew nuts and roast them. There is no need for any color change. It has to just turn crisp. Now I add a handful of cardamom to this. If you plan to have this kanji or porridge with buttermilk, you can skip the cardamom. But since we prefer having it with milk, I am adding this for additional flavor. Roast for a few minutes, switch off. Now add 20 grams of khaskhas or poppy seeds. Mix well. Add 1 coarsely powdered jadikai or nutmeg. Adding the nutmeg or jadikai is optional. Since we like the flavor, I am adding it. I have coarsely powdered the dry fruits and added to the other ingredients before I take it to the flour mill. Since this quantity is around 2.5 to 3 kgs, I am taking it to the flour mill to powder it finely. Very small quantities can be powdered in a mixie, but I prefer making a larger batch and storing it for a few months. This kanji or porridge gives a lot of energy to those who do regular workouts at the gym. Regular consumption of this is proven beneficial in maintaining blood glucose and cholesterol levels. It also has a good amount of fiber and other minerals like iron, calcium, zinc and folic acid. To 2 tablespoons of this powder, I add 150 ml of water and mix well. The water should be at room temperature. If you add hot water, it will form lumps. Mix well. Boil for a few minutes. When it begins to thicken, add half cup of milk to dilute this. Bring it to a boil. Switch off. You can add sugar or jaggery to taste. The kanji or porridge is ready to be served. Hope this video has been useful to you. Check the list of ingredients in the description box. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Share this video with your friends and family. Stay tuned to Simple Trends for more easy and healthy recipes. Bye.